I've been comparing Sendowl and Gumroad throughout 2025, and while both platforms are great for selling digital products, they serve slightly different purposes. The right choice really depends on whether you're just getting started or need more advanced control over your sales process. Gumroad is built for simplicity. It's easy to use, quick to set up, and designed with creators in mind, especially those selling ebooks, art, courses, or subscriptions. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, and you can start selling right away without needing a website. Gumroad also supports memberships, recurring payments, and tipping, which is helpful for creators with a loyal audience. However, its 10% transaction fee can feel steep, especially as your sales grow, and there's limited room for customization or deeper marketing automation. Sendowl, on the other hand, is more flexible and feature-rich. It supports a wide range of digital product types, including software licenses, drip-release content, and gated video access. It also gives you powerful tools like one-click upsells, cart abandonment emails, and affiliate management. Sendowl uses a subscription pricing model with no commission on sales, which can save a lot of money for higher volume sellers. It's best suited for users who already have a website or plan to embed their checkout into a custom setup. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to start selling digital products fast, Gumroad is a solid choice. But if you want more control, better marketing tools, and lower fees as you scale, Sendowl is the better long-term solution. If this comparison helped you choose the right platform for your business, make sure to like the video, share it with someone selling online, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.